In this video, we are going to learn how to solve matrix calculations using Casio fx-CG50 calculator. And after going through this video, I guarantee you that you'll be able to do matrix calculations using the Casio fx-CG50 graphical calculator in seconds for multiple choice questions. Now, having known that, let's get the Casio calculator now and go into the details of the video. Okay, so this is Casio fx-CG50 graphical calculator. Now, the very first thing you have to do is to reset the calculator. The essence of resetting it is to remove whatever previous value you might have stored on the calculator. So to quickly reset it or to clear it, all you have to do is navigate to System using this navigation button. When you get a press execute. Execute for this calculator stands for equal to. Okay, so when you get a press F5 for reset, then press F6 for next page. When you get a press F2 to initialize all, then press F1, yes, and it will begin to initialize all as indicated here. We're going to find the determinants of the matrix we have here, the inverse of the matrix, the transpose of the matrix, the multiplication of the matrix, and the rest of them. Okay, it's done. Press the exit button. Alright, now the next thing you're going to do will be to put the calculator in matrix mode. Very important. Okay, so to put it in matrix mode, all you have to do under this one matrix, press execute. Okay, then F3. Under F3 we have math to the vector. You press F3. Okay, it's now in matrix. Alright, so let's begin with question 1. We are given if A equals this and B equals this. We are asked to find the addition of the matrices and the subtraction of the matrices. So let's give this math A order. Alright, the order of math A. Let's press execute. Okay, so it's important you know how to order your matrix. Very important. Here on this calculator, our M is for the row and our N is for the column. So to name or to order matrix, you start with the row before the column, and the row is the horizontal line, whereas the N, the column, is the vertical line. Alright, so our order for this matrix will be 3. We have 3 rows for math A, and N will be 2, 3 by 2. That's the order of the matrix. So let's repeat the values. We have 8, 6. Okay, we have 5 and 4. Then we have 7 and 3. Okay, so let's press exit and input the order of math B. Press exit. So let's go to math B, execute. Now the order is the same thing, 3 by 2 matrix. Now let me show you in case you are still confused with this ordering. Okay, so this is the row, whereas this is the column. Alright, so it's as simple as that, guys. Okay, so let's press execute. Let's input the value. We have it to be 3, 4. Okay, we have 2, 0, and we have 1 and 3. So that's all. Note that as I input the values, they are being stored in the calculator. So let's press exit again. Now let's begin to find the addition and subtraction of matrices. To do that, to press option. Okay, F2 for math to vector. Then math A, to bring out A, press alpha and A. Then plus math B, F1, alpha and B. That's the press execute. So this is the addition of the matrices. Now to get the subtraction, you have to do is navigate using this navigation button and remove this plus and put minus here. And that's the press execute. So this will be the subtraction of the matrices. So it's as simple as that, guys. Let's go to question 2. It says given A to be this and B to be, find A times B. That's the multiplication of the matrices. Okay, so let's press exit, delete everything here. Okay, let's go back to mass to vector F3 and delete everything here, this order we have used. So let's start again. Mat A, execute. Now this time around the order will be 2 by 2. So this 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, for mat A, execute. So let's repeat the values. Remember I saw question 2. The value we have 3, 2, and we have 1 and 4. Okay, where is it for the order of mat B? So we go to mat B, execute. So the order is still 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, let's repeat the value. We have it to be 1, 3, 2, and 2. That's all. Okay, they have been stored. Let's press exit and go to options. Okay, option, mass to the vector F2, then mat A, alpha A times mat B, alpha B. That's all. Press the execute button. So this will be the multiplication of these matrices. So that's simple as that, guys. Now let's go to question 3. Given A to be this, it has to find the, let me scroll up. Okay, determinant of mat A, transpose of A, and inverse of A. So very simple. Now let's press exit button and delete everything here. Okay, delete all. Then let's go to mass to vector F3 and delete the order of the matrices here. F2. Okay, so we have mat A that executes. The order of this mat A, this is 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. Alright. So let's repeat the values. We have it to be 5, 2, and 1. Okay, we have 3, 4, and 2, and we have 1, 7, and 6. Okay, so that's it. Let's press exit now. The values are stored already. Okay, exit again. Now to find the determinant of this matrix, let's press option first. Okay, now F2 for mass to vector. So look at determinants, which is F3. So determinant of what? Mat A, F1. To bring out A, press alpha A, and that's a press execute. So the determinant is what? 35. So it's as simple as that, guys. Now to get the transpose of the matrix, let's delete this. Press exit. Delete all. Okay, so you go back to option F2, then transpose is what? F4. Transpose of mat A. You press mat alpha A. Okay, so that's the press execute. So this will be the transpose of the matrix. And lastly, to find the inverse of this matrix, let's delete everything here. Exit, delete all. Okay, so to find the inverse of the matrix, it's going to be, go back to option, mass to vector. So mat A, alpha A. Okay, to do the inverse, look at how you're going to calculate it on this calculator. You look for this button. When you look at this button closely, you see x to the power minus 1. So you press shift this button, and that's all. You press the execute button, and this will be the inverse of the matrix. So it's as simple as that, guys. This is basically how you can solve matrix problems or do matrix calculation using the Casio fx-CG50 graphical calculator in seconds for multiple choice questions. So learn something interesting from this video. If you are new to the channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel from what I've learned from this class. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my subsequent video.